Applied Bioenergy Part 2. In Applied Bioenergy, we learn that we can sense the energy fields of the spirit in this life and also previous lives. We go back in time to where the physical problem started, and we fix it in the source in order to help heal the physical injury or the physical illness that we are suffering from today. In energy terms, we can sense energy deficiency or excess of energy, which creates stagnation of energy. With one hand, we can treat the deficiency, and with the other hand, we can release the accumulated energy in order to make sure that the energy flows through the place we are treating. An energy trauma passes to the next life. That's why it is very important to maintain a healthy body with no injuries in order for the spirit to move on to the next life without any traumas. People that hurt themselves in purpose or hurt others in purpose create damage that beyond the discomfort, the hurt, the pain, and the outcome of it for this life, it is being carried to the next life. In Applied Bioenergy, we can treat this injury in the source where it started. With the technique that we learn in Applied Bioenergy, we can sense the deficiency of the energy or the stagnation of energy in every part of our body, all the way to the smallest part of the body, blood cells or skin cells. We can diagnose all the body, the muscles, the bones, also organs of the body, for example, stomach, liver, heart, kidneys, and so on and so forth. Once we diagnose a problem in the organ, we go back in time to see when the problem started. Once we establish when the problem started, we treat it then. We don't go back in time, but we invite the spirit. It sounds scary, but we work on the energy fields of the spirit from when the problem started. We invite the spirit of when it started, and we take care of it now. In Applied Bioenergy, we also treat the energetic dependencies. We also treat what I like to refer to the energetic soulmate. Energetic soulmate is someone that when are they brought together, their energy field is open to infinity. Doesn't necessarily mean that when they meet in real life they can get along or something like that. It just means that their energy fields match each other. They're energetic soulmates, which means that when they are together, they can open each other's energy fields. So when we diagnose ourselves, we also want to make sure that the problem we have, besides going back in time, is not present in our soulmate body. So we invite the spirit of our soulmate, wherever the soulmate is, and we check the same area of the body and see whether it started with them. Energetic dependencies mean our family. We also check on our family and see with which parent it started with. And right now I'm talking about energy dependency and not what goes in the genes, what scientists like to explore, research and find. I'm talking now about energy dependencies. In applied bioenergy, we can also treat emotional traumas or unexplained fears that can derive from previous life. For example, fear of heights, fear of water, and so on and so forth. We can go back in time and we have a technique to fix this trauma when it started in order to ease the results of it in this lifetime. In applied bioenergy, we also learn physical aspects of treatments, for example, energetic massage, energetic relaxation. There are techniques to release tension in the body and of muscles in our body. There are techniques to release the stagnation of energy, the energy that accumulates in one place and needs to keep on flowing in our body. In applied bioenergy, we learn to treat people that are not present here with us, physical distance, that is. We can treat people that are located in all kind of places on earth, in different places in the world. What we need to do in order to treat them is to invite their spirit to us. Yes, their energy fields can be invited over in order for us to treat it. I know lots of people think of spirits as ghosts, something that people see in movies. Spirits equal ghosts. In applied bioenergy, spirits meaning the energy fields of living people, and not just people, also animals, and previous lives when the problem started and they were still alive. So without getting spooked over the spirit thingy, we can most definitely, when we learn bioenergy, learn how to diagnose and how to treat people, also animals, in the source of the problem in order for the problem to get fixed today, here and now.